Hi guys, you are watching M&V Roadsters YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the limited special edition released by Land Rover. It is Range Rover 50. Before we start the video, subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on the post notification. When it first debuted in 1970, the Range Rover was the first SUV to feature permanent four-wheel drive. In 1989, it became the first 4x4 to be fitted with anti-lock brakes. 3 years later, in 1992, the Range Rover became the first 4x4 with electronic traction control and an automatic electronic air suspension. In 2012, it was the first SUV to be constructed of aluminium. It was even the first vehicle to be displayed in the famous Louvre Museum in Paris. In addition to that long list of firsts, a Range Rover has crossed the Darien Gap and won the Paris-Dakar Rally twice. This special edition will be limited to just 1970 units because 1970 was the year that the Range Rover was first introduced. The 50 special edition is based on the already luxurious autobiography trim level and will be available in both standard and long wheelbase body styles. This has a Land Rover's muscular supercharged 5-litre V8 engine making 518 horsepower and 461 pounds-to-foot of torque. The Range Rover 50 has plenty of bespoke features, like exterior accents painted in auric atlas and 2 unique 22-inch wheel designs. The special palette of 4 standard colors are Carpathian Grey, Rose Yellow Red, Aruba, and Santorini Black. Land Rover Special Vehicle Operations will paint a very limited number of Range Rover 50 SUVs in Tuscan Blue, Bahama Gold, or Davos White. The vehicle's badging carries a special 50 script lettering. In addition to being featured on the exterior badging, the special design will be visible on the headrests, dashboard, illuminated door sills, and on the center console, which numbers each vehicle as one of 1970. Pricing and specifications for the Range Rover 50 are yet to be released, but expect a significant premium over the $131,595 that the standard wheelbase autobiography commands. Okay, that is it for the video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let's meet from another video. And thank you for watching.